Next, we're going to be looking at the overview of different virtual worlds that have come online in the past decade or so. The first one we'll be looking at is Yville, which was launched in 1999 by Noomdarian Incorporated. This was targeted for younger elementary age children and is used in a lot of classrooms. It has some very simple games such as what you see here, which is teaching kids how to recycle and the different types of recycling that's available. And the task for the child to do is to pick up the little pieces of litter and dispose of them in the appropriate trash bin. This was one of the first virtual worlds to use virtual economy, and it is focused primarily for education, both at home and in classrooms. When you sign up for the site, you're given a choice of saying whether you're a student or an educator. And as an educator, you're able to set up little private rooms for individual classrooms so that they can all log on to the same server and interact with each other virtually. The educational uses are that it's made for teachers to create a simple virtual classroom for younger students. It contains many multiplayer games to teach various topics from recycling to marine biology, and it allows students who may not be able to attend a physical classroom a chance to participate and collaborate with both students and a teacher. In many cases, this has been very helpful for students that aren't able to attend school for medical reasons or for some kind of disability or some other reason that they can't be physically present, if they're traveling abroad with parents or something along that line. It allows them to still be a part of the classroom. Next, we're going to be looking at Furcadia. This was launched in 1996 by Dragon's Eye Production. It's targeted for all ages with some adult-only locations that can be password locked. It's inspired off of fantasy genres such as Redwall and the Chronicles of Narnia, and the user creates an anthropomorphic avatar such as a mouse, cat, horse, dog, or bear. Um, the educational uses include that it encourages basic programming and coding. There's a programming language embedded into Furcadia called DragonSpeak, and it includes a tutorial and an application for using it, which allows you to create effects and interactions on maps that the individual user makes. It provides the tools for constructing maps and codes and original graphics called patches, and practices simple forms of government through guilds with simple lines of command. Next is Habbo, which was launched in 2001 by Sulake Corporation. This is directed at teenagers, with 90% of users being between the ages of 13 and 18. It was previously known as Habbo Hotel. This virtual environment has received celebrity attention and endorsement from Rihanna and Eminem. Educational uses, not so much as the others since it is more designed as a teenage hangout, but users are able to create clubs for various interests and activities, and users can meet with other teenagers in other countries. Next is IMVU, which was launched in 2004 by IMVU Incorporated. It has a much more intimate setting. The user is usually paired up with another random user from somewhere else in the world. The way the program works is it takes your location and searches for actually someone that's the furthest away from you that they can calculate at that exact time, who is also looking for somebody to chat with. The economy is based on real-world currency over exchanges of virtual goods. Educational uses